In a small village nestled between green hills and flowing rivers, lived a poor tailor named Rahim. He was a simple man who worked hard every day, stitching clothes from morning till night. His hands were rough from years of sewing, and his back ached. But his heart was soft, full of love, especially for his only daughter, Amina. Amina was the light of Rahim's life. Her mother had passed away when she was just a baby, so Rahim raised her alone. He taught her to be honest, kind, and grateful. Although they didn't have much money, Amina never complained. She understood her father's struggles and helped him with household chores, always smiling. One day, Amina saw her classmates wearing beautiful, colorful dresses for a school function. She came home and for the first time looked sad. "What happened, my flower?" Rahim asked gently. "Nothing, Baba," she replied, trying to hide her tears. But Rahim understood. That night, after Amina went to sleep, he took out an old piece of cloth he had been saving. It wasn't much, just a soft pink fabric he had found in the market months ago. Every night for the next 2 weeks, Rahim worked secretly under the dim lantern light, sewing a dress with love and care. On the day of the school function, Rahim surprised Amina with the dress. Her eyes sparkled. "Baba, is this really for me?" "Yes, my princess. I want you to feel special because you are." Amina hugged him tightly. "Thank you, Baba. I will wear it with pride." She wore the dress to school, and everyone admired it. She felt beautiful, not just because of the dress, but because it was made with love. Years passed. Amina grew up and got a scholarship to a big city university. Rahim worked even harder to support her, sending whatever money he could. He missed her terribly, but never showed his pain. He wanted her to fly high. One day, while working in his small shop, Rahim felt dizzy. He ignored it, thinking it was just tiredness. But the dizziness grew worse. When the neighbors found him unconscious, they rushed him to the hospital. Amina was informed and came running. "Baba," she cried, holding his wrinkled hand. He opened his eyes and smiled weakly. "My flower, you came." "Always, Baba. I'll never leave you again." Doctors said Rahim had a weak heart and needed rest. Amina decided to stay in the village and take care of him. She started teaching children and slowly built a school in Rahim's name, Rahim Academy. Rahim saw his daughter teaching with passion, helping other children rise. His heart swelled with pride. One evening, as the sun set behind the hills, Rahim breathed his last with a peaceful smile, knowing his daughter had become a light for others. At his funeral, many villagers came, students, neighbors, friends. They all had one thing to say. Rahim was a poor man, but he gave the richest gift, his love. Moral: true wealth is not in money or possessions, but in the love, values, and kindness we give to others. A parent's sacrifice, though silent, echoes through generation.